Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. A few months ago I made a bug hotel. Unfortunately the birds seemed more interested in it than the bugs, so I thought I'd appease them by making them a bird feeder. I'm going to make it out of some pallet wood and I've already got some broken down in the garage, so I'm going to fetch that out and use it for this. The feeder is going to be based around an empty wine bottle. Here's one I prepared earlier. It's going to sit in a housing with a roof, similar to the bug hotel, so now I can get the wood prepared and cut down for it. I want this to have a pitched roof to keep the bird seed dry. So I'm going to cut a point on the back and then I'm going to tilt the blade over and cut 45 degrees on the sides to match the back. Right, the sides are cut, but I've left them too long on purpose. Now I can mark out how long they need to be, get them cut and get these three bits screwed and glued together. So now I want to put a pitch roof on this, but I don't want to mitre it at the top. I'm going to do a butt joint because then I can screw it together and it's going to be so much stronger. So I can get 45 degrees cut though on the bottom. So obviously this needs a tray at the bottom to collect all the bird seed. So I'm going to get this bit of wood screwed on and then cut down some thin strips and make a little border around the outside so all the bird seed doesn't actually fall off. I need a way to suspend the bottle in here, so I'm going to drill out a couple of holes using the pillar drill and some hole saws. I now need to work out how far this needs to be off the bottom to allow the bird seed to drop out at the correct rate. As this is going outside, I want to get it painted, and I've got some Treatex forest green paint left over from when I did the hedgehog house, so I'm going to get a couple of coats of that applied. Now the paint's dry, I'm going to add some brass keyhole plates to the back so that I can get this attached to the wall. Right, that's it all done. We won't put the seeds in yet, I'll just show you with this empty bottle. So the bottle goes in and then got enough headroom left to be able to remove it again. So now let's get it installed outside. So that's it all done. Hopefully keep the birds happy, and with this bottle feeding I won't have to fill it up too often. So thank you for watching, thank you to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.